Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those kind of content, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be doing a haul for you guys. Everything that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. So I'm in the process of decorating my entryway. It's a small entryway and I'm going to show you guys in a few minutes. So I'm planning on, spruce it up a little bit. So I got wallpaper, I got a console table. So I got that. And then I got picture frames, which I had a few picture frames, a couple years ago. So I'm going to reuse those. And then I also got, some decor books and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Amazon. The books is on the way, but I'm going to continue the video without it. And once I receive it, I'll show you guys. It's supposed to come today. So hopefully I'll get it today and then I'll show you guys that as well. Or if not, you guys will see it in the decor video. So let's get straight into the video. So I haven't opened the packages as yet. So I'm going to be doing that with you guys. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay. Okay, so this is the olive plant. Let's see if it looks like the picture. Okay, not bad. This is the olive plant and I think it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it comes in 5 pieces. So I'm gonna leave the link of everything in the description box, so don't worry guys. So this is how the olive plant is looking. So I have a black vase, which I'm going to show you guys that in a few minutes as well. I have that downstairs. I'm going to show it to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put this olive plant in the black vase, but I'll do that in the decor makeover video. Next, okay, so this is the wallpaper. It's black. So I'm going to be putting black wallpaper and trust me, you guys are going to see the transformation. I'm so excited. Even though I'm not a fan of installing wallpapers, but I love to see them. So I don't know, I have mixed feelings, but I love wallpaper. So this is how it's looking. It's like a matte. It has like a matte look to it, which is pretty good. That is exactly what I'm looking for. All right, so next, this is a bit heavy. I think, well, someone opened this package. It wasn't me, but let's see. Ooh, okay, so these are some lamps. It came in a pair of 2. So it's a cordless table lamp. So it comes in a set of 2. It looks pretty small, so I'm gonna open the package and see what is in there. Okay, obviously it came with a USB, 2 USB charger. I'm not sure what this is, but whenever I'm ready to install it, I'll definitely show you guys. What is this? Oh, I think it's glue. Because I was just about to say that's nasty. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to put it back in the bag, but it looks way smaller. But it looks way smaller than the actual picture. This is how it's looking, and the lights are inside here, and I think you attach the USB card to this to charge it, so it's chargeable. So that's good. You can ooh, okay, and it changed. Ooh, okay, you can dim it. Is it touch? Okay, so you click on the top part right here, and it will change the color of the light. see. Nice. Okay. I didn't even know that, so that's like a good feature. All right, so that's good. And that's everything. Okay. Okay, so that's everything that came so far. So once I receive, so the shoe table is already here, but it's outside and it's heavy, so I'm not gonna get it yet. Plus, it wouldn't make sense for me. I can't show you guys that as yet because I need to build it, which that will take some time. But whenever I'm doing the decor video, you guys will definitely see that table. I'm still waiting for the book. So once I receive the book, which is today, so I'm gonna also show you guys that as well. So far I got the lamp, the wallpaper that I'll be using, the olive plant in the black vase. But last but not least, there's another package. All right. Let's see, I'm trying to remember what this is. I don't remember. Oh, okay. Okay, so these are the overhead lights for the picture frame. So I'm gonna put up the picture frame and then I'm gonna put these lights over the picture frame. Okay. And this was pretty inexpensive, so that's good. This is the base it came with. Came with this base. Oh, and they also give you the option to stick it on the wall as well, which is pretty good. But I don't know, hopefully it will stick to the wall and stay there. But I think I just might put the screws in this so that it can stay longer. And this also comes with USB. This is chargeable as well, so that's good. And it comes in a set of 2. And I paid $15, but as I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of everything that I purchased. Okay, and it's pressable. So once you install it to the wall, you can easily press it and then the light will come on. I think it needs charging right now, so that's the reason why there's no light. Yeah, so I'm so excited to show you guys the entryway decoration. That will be the next video coming up, so just turn on your post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I post a video. And I appreciate you guys watching the videos. I'm so grateful, and thank you guys for all the love that you're showing me on these videos, because it do takes a lot of work to put out these videos. So I do appreciate you guys liking the video, watching the video, and also a few of you guys been sharing the videos, so that's awesome. So now I'm going to head downstairs and then try to put up the picture frames. So what I normally do, I'll just measure if I have to put up any wall art, or if I have to put up any picture frames or mirrors. I'll just do the measurement first before starting the video. So I'll just do the measurement first, and then while I'm videoing, I just easily put up the wall art or easily put up the picture frames, whatever it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the measurement for the picture frames, and I'm gonna also take you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so this is what the downstairs is looking like. Actually, this was my computer desk. I think I'm gonna get rid of it because eventually I'm gonna get a different computer desk. And then the other man, I need to clean it because it's a bit dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that, which is not going to be here for long because the table gonna take up the space. Anyway, so this is what it's looking, and this is the black vase that I'm going to put the olive plant in. The tray, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, so I'm gonna move these items from here, and then on the wall I'm going to take out that screw over there and then put some other screws, like 6 screws, because I do have 6 picture frames to put up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up today. But this is how it's looking right now, just bland. Nothing to it. Yeah, and that's the entryway right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these things and then put up the picture frames. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this one right here. Okay, so first I'm going to use the measurement. This is just gonna be real quick. Make sure this is in the middle and it's straight. So 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, this is not straight at all, but for now I'm just gonna put them up, and then whenever I'm doing the decor video, then I'll just go ahead and correct the measurements. So I'm going to now do the second row. Tell me that you guys can see the vision, okay? Because I can see it. It's not straight right now, but don't mind that, you guys, because in the decor video I'll definitely make sure it is straight. I just want to put it up to see what it looks like and you know how to imagine it. So what I'm going to do in the decor video, I'm going to go ahead and put the black wallpaper, and then I'm going to take out those flower picture out of the picture frame and put in like family photos in black and white. And then I'm going to get the table. The table is black and brown. I'll definitely maybe show you guys a clip of it so you can have an idea. So I can definitely see the vision, okay? It will look nice, so trust the process. So I like how it's looking so far. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I just put back the table right there for now until later on when I'm ready to change it out. So this is how it's looking. I'm so in love with it so far. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this package came right on time while I was in the process of filming this video. So this is the book, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I'm also excited to see what it looks like as well. Okay, and the packaging is very nice. So nice. That's what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking, and I just love the words. It says focus focus, execute, and success, which is amazing. Seeing this every day, coming in, leaving the house, amazing. So I think I'm gonna open it. Oops, I don't want to scratch it. All right, so it's 3 books, and it also comes with a thank you card. Like, I just love when people actually put effort into their business, which is amazing. Let's see the name of the company. Okay, I guess it's on the package. Anyways, okay, Upstart Decor, very nice. And inside you can put a little, maybe a keys or something inside, because as I said, it's going to be on the entryway. So this is beautiful. This one says focus, this one says execute, and success, which has the tree of life, which is amazing. Okay, so you can either, I think I'll probably set it like this, but once again, I'm going to show you guys the decor video. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.